So we're gonna upload all that
There's
stuff.
a really cool one with you before.
You should press against the wall there.
Awesome. We're gonna send you these ones.
Friday meeting.
That's great.
Nice. I love this little area you guys make here. It's so cozy. Very cool.
It's a nice place for people to wait.
Or your high-end clients, you know.
That's right.
Oh, it's good though. It's like brand reinforcement, you know, to have all the logos everywhere. It's
Yeah.
smart.
That sounds good.
We just leave here.
Yeah,
we just
leave
leave
this
this
stuff
stuff
here.
here. We'll take pictures.
We'll take a look at the other one.
Which one did you want? Do you want that boardroom first, or
We can do that one for sure.
well, closer to where we are?
Yeah, you're good.
Cool.
Maybe here.
Nice. Halo board.
Awesome.
It actually looks, the orange, it's interesting, the orange, oh sorry, I forgot about that.
No worries.
The orange works with this wall. It like
Yeah.
feeds off of it.
Good.
I think the positioning is just right.
Yeah. No, that's
Right.
great. Great.
A couple pictures. Nice. Yeah, I'm just putting together a really cool content management website where you can like upload images
Oh, yeah.
and like from like anybody can do it. It's kind of like Facebook.
Yeah.
You just upload images, and the images you can pre-scale them. So you upload the image, and then you can have a was it like a
The system will
Scale.
resize the image.
yeah, so you can set a certain size for certain devices, or for certain, like if you know, once you kind of expand the browser window, everything
Yeah.
like resizes accordingly to it.
Nice.
So that's gonna be really cool.
It's like
That's
too
cool.
basic, but
We have like thousands of images though. It's like 10,000 or more
Nice.
images, so
That's cool.
it's an easier way to kind of get our
Yeah,
portfolio out there.
Yeah, put people's portfolios up online.
Yeah. You're gonna be like, you know, the side effects.
we'll put a link to your website.
Yeah.
Sure.
The side effects sign model.
That's right.
We'll make sure to just put some nice classy pictures of you. So
Yeah.
don't worry.
It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice.
That looks good.
The CEO of SideFX, you know? Modeling all the signs.
Sorry.
Very cool.
Sweet.
Awesome.
Okay,
Great.
good?
All done here?
Yep.
Yeah, there's no way to turn the lights off and
No.
on.
Oh, no, really?
It's like the building does it, I guess.
Yeah.
I know why rent is so high for this for this whole floor. Gotta keep the lights running.
Gotta look in here real quick.
Sure.
We'll just do-
Nice. Got a ping pong table in there now.
Oh, that's
Oh,
cool.
sweet.
That used to be a gym when GE had this space.
Uh huh.
Maybe your ping pong and beer room.
Nice.
Get some pinball machines in there. Nice, nice. Thanks.
I guess we could have gone there.
Okay. This one looks pretty cool with the
Yeah,
light.
it's awesome.
We have to get one with you standing by the sign, Chris.
Alright.
Because this is we had you standing by the same sign before, like a different sign, right?
Yeah.
But same location, so it'll be interesting to like overlay them. Yes.
Yeah.
Just on me here? Or?
Yeah. I'm just gonna. It's just a little darker here, so I'm trying to bump up the ISO a bit. Yeah, that's good. If you could do one more where you're sort of showing it.
Yeah.
There you go. Nice.
Thanks.
Awesome. That was good.
That's cool. I think you guys are like, other than doing, wayfinding signage for theater chains and stuff, I think you guys ordered the most amount of signage
Oh, yeah?
for like one single location. It's pretty cool.
I see if I'll look at a kick out of that. The only person that's ordered more signs than us is a theater chain.
Yeah. You know what's really cool, Adam? I don't know if your lens will reach, but like you can see the one in there. Yeah.
I'll do that.
I don't know if you got enough of angle,
for sure.
open angle. Okay.